Okay, Ray, this is just for you. I flew all the way to Tokyo just for this, so stand by. Like those of me that have been here before, made it to the Kato train center, hobby stop and factory, or at least office. So we're gonna go inside and see what it's like. So here we are at the entrance. Motorcycles are coming in. Big store, lots of glass. Now I have already been told that this is not the cheapest place to buy trains, but these are kind of the trains that we ride every day. As a matter of fact, that green one is the one I've been on almost all week. Nice little dioramas and layouts just waiting to go in. So I don't want to take too many videos in the store because of some incidents that have happened lately with Americans in videos. So I'm just going to take a sweep on each one of the floors. This looks like something Heath would put together. Oh look, they got some right-sized things too. Actually, I saw some Jeep 35s that I might want to take one of over on the discount desk. Here's one of their discount tables. They got a couple of Jeep 35s here for a total of 70 yen. That's a pretty good deal. They have a BNSF SD40 and a Santa Fe SD35. Pretty neat stuff. So this is the Kato HO layout. All done up with the Unitrack. Then this is their N-scale layout. Starting on the winter scene, but they also do have an HO loop that looks like here. Detailed store. Things to think about. Oh, that must be how it's all powered. Even here they've got really good details. And large train station. And the way a lot of them are, they're up in the air and everything's down on the bottom. And then along with their Unitrack, they also have these roadway systems as well. Oh, guess they put in the subway too. Here's their little city, and the other larger city, big mountain in the background. Kind of a cool scene into itself. So they were able to double it back and make a double scene out of one thing. Oh, looks like they've got some rock things here too. Container yard. And a Kato train shop. So here I am up on the second floor, and I'm at the HO scale layout that they have. But another neat thing, and it's all portable with the lock latches, which I think is kind of cool. That's a different way to put them together. Nice little snap locks. Also found out that Kato now has the expansion tracks in HO scale, which would be really easy for people to start using for portable things. But one of the other things that they have, look at this, they have a classroom set up in here, and people can come and do projects and all that on the weekend, especially like the kids, which is kind of really cool. You can see the upstairs is got different types of classes. They've got paint booths in here, all kinds of little dioramas and different things on display. They also had a large Pico display, and don't forget you have to have your Thomas the Tank. some interesting factories and all in the HO scale layout. These are the ones you can actually run. Then they have another HO scale that isn't put all together yet. It's got some track missing, but that's kind of dedicated to Thomas. And then up here is a larger N scale, which can also be taken apart. That can be utilized. Over here you've got the big train station. And then over there you've got the smaller town. And then here's an overhead view of the N gauge layout. So it's a decent size layout for inside the store.